Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make your own DIY stickers for your smartphone or your laptop. To make the DIY sticker for your smartphone or your laptop, you need an image. You can download it from the internet or you can use the custom design logo by yourself. Now I am going to make a sticker for my laptop, so I need to make this picture more bigger. For that I am moving this image to my laptop. Resize the image according to your logo size. If you want to make a sticker for your smartphone, just place it on the smartphone screen. Now you have to take a paper and trace the image on the white paper. You can also print this image as a simple method, but now I am tracing the logo on a white paper. After tracing the logo on the white paper, verify that all the edges are correctly marked on the white paper. To cut the sticker, place the printed image or the drawn image on the sticker sheet and properly stick it with the white tape. Now you can start cutting. Use a sharp-edged knife to cut the sticker along with the drawn image or printed image. After cutting all the edges as per the image, verify all the cuttings are marked on the sticker sheet. Now you can isolate the sticker from the sticker sheet. Here you can see I have completely isolated the logo from the sticker sheet. Now you can place the sticker or anywhere on your smartphone or your laptop. Here I am sticking it on my laptop back panel. After completely placing the logo on your smartphone or your laptop, apply some heat. For that you can use a small lighter or a hair dryer. This process makes the bonding between the laptop and the sticker more better. Like this you can make any stickers for your smartphone or a laptop or any other purposes. So guys, if you like this video, leave a like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon.